Here's a way to earn extra money doing tasks online. Go to remotask.com. They say they have over 240,000 people doing tasks for them. They paid out over $15 million. And the good thing about this website is good in over 90 countries. You can do it from anywhere. Follow down. They have free online training that'll help you to complete the various tasks that they want you to do. So you do the tasks, and boom, you get paid in US dollars. Go down here, look at this. Okay, so your pay depends on the task you're doing. So the more difficult the task, the more pay that you're gonna get. This is a great gig because you can do it in over 90 countries. You can do it in your spare time, whenever you got a chance. You can do it with a laptop or a cell phone. So check it out.